Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words pillage and plunder. They can act as both noun and verb, and they mean to violently loot for valuable items. Pillage during wartime, plunder during both wartime and peacetime. But what's the actual difference then? Well, let's find it out. Pillage. So, I'm going to provide some example for you. During wartime, a regiment of soldiers were looting different kind of buildings. Let's say houses, apartments, warehouses, farmsteads, and so on. After they find valuable goods, items, money, let's say they were looking for some kind of provisions, ammunition, etc. They destroy the places where they were looting for these items, money, goods, products, etc. So they destroy them, burn them to the ground, blow them up, and so on. Now, plunder. Plunder can be applied to both wartime and peacetime. For example, during riots, let's say during city riots, a bunch of vagabonds, maybe bandits, or maybe rioters themselves were looting different places like shops, malls, what else it can be? Let's say shops, malls, general stores, and so on. So, as the result of their actions, there were a bunch of broken windows, total chaos near and inside those looted places, and many shards of glass and broken, you can say broken furniture. So, and a complete disorder in these places where they were looting. So, this is plunder. And as you may understand, it's not a total destruction like it was about pillage. And that's the key difference here. And I hope that now you understand it. Pillage versus plunder. That's wrapping it up for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.